See, whatever BJP does, the biggest question what comes to our minds in a democracy is that BJP is allowed to speak, do anything. They can tweet these kind of stuff. And Ram Kadam is a very senior leader of the BJP. This is what they do. Yes, Pawan arrested. It's on your screen. They have the right to insult. They have the right to derogate. They have the right to say कि नेहरू क्यों नहीं सरनेम रखते? आप बताइए किस हिंदू परिवार में आप अपनी दादी के पापा का सरनेम रखते हो? I'll ask this question to myself and to my friend from BJP. आप अपनी दादी के पापा का सरनेम नहीं रखते. That's not derogatory. आप कहते हो लिविंग पूर्व प्राइम मिनिस्टर को आप नहाते समय रेनकोट रखते हैं. These are not derogatories. आपकी 50 crore की गर्लफ्रेंड है.
Sir, the point here is not about what was said. The point here is the legal course of action that is being taken. And you are completely stopping an entire airport for that matter. Don't you understand law? Don't you understand the law process?
We are not trained in a democracy to disturb others when they speak. I respect when she is speaking. I will not interfere, but she will never respect any person who's speaking that. This is shamelessness.
Please speak.
Mr. Thapar, please go ahead. Complete your point, sir.
Now, you have the right to say कि 50 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड है. You have the right to say कि इसकी विधवा है. At that time, this is not shamelessness. At that time, this is not derogatory. This is known as the artistic way of corresponding, communicating to your cadre. I think you have to look at it in both the ways. You speak whatever. You make sure that there is a new law in the politics of this country. आप अरेस्ट करते हो, आप गालियां देते हो, आप सब कुछ करते हो, you are in power. But when it comes to others, they can't even do a small dharna. Obviously, that is not the place. But we have the right to protest. We have the right to question in the parliament, which definitely you will never answer. But the point here is what is happening. You are not accountable. You are not answerable. Okay. You have the power. You have the muscle. You have the money. Then also you are scared. Your people on Twitter will tweet Pawan is arrested by showing a face of a dog. That is justified. And when this is done, you don't have anything to speak out. He's your own credible senior leader from BJP. And he posts such kind of shameless pictures. And we can justify that? Obviously, we cannot. Okay. We have to condemn.